Question is, what is menstrual cycle? Which hormones regulate menstrual cycle? So first of all, let us understand the definition of menstrual cycle. So it is a cycle that consists of series of cyclic changes in females. Now, what I mean by cyclic changes is that the changes that occur in the ovaries and the uterus of the female reproductive system. All right, and the cycle generally lasts for about 28 to 29 days, although the cycle can be longer or it can be shorter. Fine. Now let us see which are the different hormones that regulate the cycle. So first of all, it is FSH, the follicle stimulating hormone, then the LH, luteinizing hormone, then you have estrogen and the progesterone. All right. So these are the four hormones that regulate the menstrual cycle. Now I'll explain how these four hormones control the entire cycle. So first of all, we need to know what is hypothalamus. Hypothalamus is a structure that is present in the midbrain, and there is a structure called as anterior pituitary here. So, as I told you, hypothalamus is there in the midbrain. It is seen attached to a pituitary gland here, and this region in the front is called as anterior pituitary. So, there are some hormones that are released from hypothalamus and anterior pituitary, and they bring about certain changes in the ovary and the uterus. So, let us see how they do that. So, first of all, there is a hormone that is released from hypothalamus, which is called as GnRH. GnRH stands for gonadotropin releasing hormone, and it stimulates the anterior pituitary to secrete FSH and LH, that is follicle stimulating hormone and luteinizing hormone. Now, follicle stimulating hormone, as the name suggests, it stimulates the follicles of the ovary to grow and mature into Graafian follicle. Whereas the role of LH, that is luteinizing hormone, is to bring about ovulation, which is the release of ovum from the ovary. All right. Now, once FSH and LH acts on the ovaries then release estrogen and progesterone. Now, these two hormones are the female sex hormones, and the role of estrogen is to repair the endometrial lining that ruptures at the time of menstruation, whereas the progesterone is also called as pregnancy hormone, which maintains the thickness of the endometrium so that in case if fertilization takes place, then the zygote can attach itself to the endometrium and further grow into the fetus. All right. So that was all about the menstrual cycle and its hormones. I hope you have followed it. Thank you.